So we still don't have a van. Hello everybody, how is it? What's happening? What's going on everybody? We are just quickly packing up. We've been fortunate enough that Christian's parents have hooked us up for a few nights. It worked out really well actually because they were away at a wedding. So we had this huge house all to ourselves. And now we're just packing up, we're ready to go. I don't really know the plan for the day, but we are gonna head over to the Mercedes dealership. Ooh, lighting just got real bad. And check on Trin, make sure they're doing everything in their power to get us going. You ready to go, babe? Let's go. So today's kind of a random day because we don't really have a plan. We're just simply waiting for the van to be done. So, like I said, first stop, Mercedes Benz. And then who knows? Who knows what we're gonna do? You got a plan for the day?
Do you wanna go to Waco, Texas?
We're vlogging on the Beast today because our G7X is having serious issues. Serious issues.
Yeah, I hope the autofocus on this is okay. Shall I say good morning?
Yeah, babe, you should probably vlog a little more.
Okay, I'd love to. Good morning, everybody. Vlog. Hi, vlog. How are you? I'm sure Eamon just updated you on the fact that we have stayed the past 2 nights.
Yeah. The Matney residents, or the Matney humans, are just incredible. Like, you probably won't ever meet them, but if you did ever meet them, you'll know what we're talking about. Just incredible people.
We're very
Carrie,
grateful.
thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Yes, it was nice to sort of recharge and do laundry and cook dinners and all the things that we actually are really missing about the routine of van life, which sounds funny enough, but yes. Feels good. I flew in on Friday night. Eamon was already here. He had dropped off the car. We went and picked up this little rental from Mercedes Benz. It's a minivan.
It looks pretty fancy from the inside.
It might be a sign that we're supposed to settle down and have children.
How many kids? 5.
I think we've got room for 5. Anyways, guys, we're gonna first stop off at the dealership, check in on Trin. Check in on Trin. Say that 5 times fast.
This car's really trippy. It's like, I think it's 2018. But when you stop, like the full engine shuts off.
Wow, was that?
It's also got the emergency lane changers for lazy people.
This is a souped up minivan.
And it's got the paddle shift for drag racing.
Amen.
Sorry, Mercedes Benz Georgetown. Guys, look at these white walls, so filth. Even like the wood is so dirty. I think we're gonna do a deep clean.
For show, yo.
Little whip crackers on it.
Whip crackers on it, baby. People are always asking us if there's anything we would change about our van build. Most of the time I say no. Today, I say never paint your van white. Just don't do it.
Your girl did an amazing job with these. She like wiped all that down. The floor is disgusting. I don't think you can even see quite the level of grime that's hitting the floor. But it's next level. Like if you walk on that with bare feet, holy jumping, your feet are black.
Okay, this is looking a lot better.
How are we gonna clean the floor?
So because we have a completely empty fridge, we thought it'd be fun to show you guys just quickly what we put back in to restock. We've got a big organic spring mix.
It's like literally a quarter of our fridge.
Just loose kale. We normally add that to our smoothies in the morning so they become like green smoothies. Celery. This we mostly are using for chickpea salad sandwiches these days. Somebody at Trader Joe's told us that this is like the most amazing vegan kale basil pesto. 2 different types of hummuses. We're obsessed with field roast. Lemons for lemon water.
Carrots, you gotta be organic.
Bread, whole grain bread.
With the air sucked out.
And a few apples. I think that's all that needs to go in the fridge for room.
Nice.
Whew, it's so hot. Easter is coming up, and you know how you see those mini eggs everywhere? I used to love mini eggs before I was vegan. Unreal is this company that makes these awesome...
I feel like those guys are like an 8 out of 10,
yeah.
But those are 10 out of 10.
Yeah, but I just wanted to show, I thought this was so cool. Like, you know when the mini eggs are so beautifully colored, you know that's fake, right?
Yeah.
This is...
Oops. What about this little Trader Joe?
Oh.
Maintaining that dad physique. Well, I've got a little crutch right here I'd like to show you about. I'm not really into licorice either. But these don't really taste like licorice. I gotta eat one just to show them. These guys here are a little, I call them Charleston chews.
Yes, you do.
But they're not Charleston chews. It's like a raspberry.
I don't know, we're going to meet the guys.
Yeah, we're gonna
Meet the crew, Tom. Let's go.
I'm leaving the van wide open, that's cool.
All right.
Yeah, you're good.
What Trent's gonna look like, guys? Big hole in her heart.
Little heart transplant.
Guys, shout out to Mike. This guy knows what's going on here. He just pegged it. He said, let me pull up an MP3 clip of what your van probably sounded like when you start your engine. And he's like, yeah, that's what is it? The chain is slipping?
It stretches.
It stretches.
Yeah, it stretches about, I want to say about 3 millimeters in overall length. But it's really, I mean.
So a pro sprinter guy should have picked up on that and been like, yo, you need a new chain.
Of course, especially
The Sealy's.
Eamon thought he had a pro sprinter guy
The
in
Sealy's,
Toronto.
bro. Disappointed. Now I do in Texas. These guys are super excited, super curious to have a look at the van because we've just been going back and forth talking about why it could have gone wrong, what are the problems, what can we do to make sure this never happens again. So I'm feeling really confident that we got an amazing squad here and everyone's gonna have a look and make sure we're on the right path for success.
To finally seem to get some sort of answers, you know?
Yeah, I mean,
no one had any explanation
no one had answers
or idea of what was going on.
That's right.
The battery's weak. Unless the engine's locked. Unless the engine's not locked, right? Can you get a 27?
It's kind of been a fun day just hanging out with them and talking to them about why this happened, and we'll update you guys more and more as we find out more information. So Beck's just gonna whip up a chickpea salad sandwich, which is lovely.
We're obsessed!
What have you got in there?
Celery and chickpeas.
Nice. You should have maybe done the chickpeas.
Yep.
Yep. Okay.
Sauce ball?
Boom. That's how we do lunch, folks.
Oh. Thank you. Don't tell the camera what I just said, buddy. I know you're going to.
Buddy, you're not gonna tell the vlog
Yeah, I'll tell the vlog.
about your addiction?
It's not an addiction. I don't actually even like it. I was just thinking, if we had to find a place to stay tonight, I wouldn't mind if they had cable because I know the finale of The Bachelor's on. I haven't even watched the season.
Sounds like an addiction.
Why did I turn on the camera?
Maybe it's to show that I'm the best man ever doing dishes.
Oh, that's definitely why. Here's my buddy. He's the best man ever. He's doing the dishes. You're amazing. Yes. I'm so out of it. All right, I'll have to catch you guys in a bit.
Thanks for a great day, brother.
No problem, bro.
Appreciate
I'm gonna
that.
get you going.
Mikey, for a great day, brother.
Yeah.
Thank you, Tom. Beck,
Great day, buddy!
you ready to go? Let's go.
You know what I think is really cool about all of this is just watching you and your curiosity learn.
I love it. I love
I
the fact
know.
that these guys are so transparent. They're letting me get right in there. They're teaching me what parts went wrong. Even the hoses are corroded, why they get corroded, all that information
Yeah, I
is
think
gold.
that's really cool. And I wish I had more of it in me, but I think that's, we talk a lot about on this channel why we why we're able to work together, and that's just not something that gets me all excited, you know? So I spent the afternoon working and getting a lot of work done for our business, which felt really good.
Yeah.
And you just crushed learning about Trinity and like sprinter vans and stuff, and I think that's really awesome.
Yeah, it was great. Those guys, they've got a great crew.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna plug the crap out of them throughout today's vlog and tomorrow's vlog. But if you are in the Austin area, or even Texas, apparently they have customers that come from like California to see these guys. They know their stuff, they're super helpful, and they care.
Okay, well, I would like to start the wrap up today by thanking all of you for being the most kind, generous, supportive people.
Unbelievable community here.
We are so fortunate, and I really do believe that what you put out in the universe will come back around, and I think this is such a great example of this community, and I feel like we work really hard to keep it really positive and open and loving here, and we want to give all of ourselves to you, and in return so many of you have kind of reciprocated with that sort of love throughout all of this, and I just want to thank you guys.
Appreciate the support. Big day tomorrow. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, we are flip-flopping still, so check out Minimal's vlog tomorrow and then our vlog the following day.
They deserve to have a lot of fun, so I hope they're having the best time ever without us. Okay, bye. What should I turn this on to say? I think I just had a 1-minute nap. So, anywho, we are now just going to... Why did I turn on the camera?